Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're looking for a functional and beautiful way to use and display your oils in your kitchen, you have to check out these oil dispensers from LAKUMIQI. These are absolutely amazing and have so much functionality. Not only do they pour out oils that you need, but they also spray oils too. I love that I only need one container to perform any oil task in my kitchen. These are absolutely stunning too. They have a dark amber bottle and they come with beautiful, aesthetically pleasing labels. So I was able to choose the appropriate oil that I wanted to use and put that beautiful label on these bottles. Now these are so easy to use. First of all, I buy all my oils in bulk, so having a secondary container is extremely needed and convenient. These have a nice wide opening, so I'm not making a mess when I'm pouring in the oils. That wide opening makes it so easy to transfer containers. What I love about them is the pour and spray feature. With a click of a switch, that pour feature opens right up and out comes a beautiful, consistent flow of oil. With these bottles, there are two different types of spray depending on how hard you push down on the button. One is a wider, finer mist, and one is a more direct spray. These bottles are beautiful to look at, easy to use, and extremely practical to have in the kitchen. I would recommend them for any kitchen, but that's just my point of view.